find that track this time. No, I reckon it's further up. I reckon it's here. No, I think it goes... Oh, I don't know. That there. Yeah, he'll find it eventually. Down here, Jeff. It's there. Goes that way. No, no, this way. That way. Yeah! Good morning, welcome back. A to Zing again this week, and today we're at Bennetts and we're doing the Canaries and roaster coaster into it, but we might not do many jumps because it's super windy up the top there and they're very eroded, so they're not going to be heaps fun. This track is very difficult to find. So you'll probably see us just like wandering through the forest aimlessly trying to find the track. But once you get into the bottom bit, it's a bit of fun. The chutes down the valley at the end's pretty fun. The top's a bit hard to find and a bit crap, but yeah, so we'll jump into it. We got Jeff and John with us today. Yeah, I'll spin straight into it.
You boys are going down it. Who wants to go first?
All right, so we're near the top Canaries, but this is rocker something that we're not going to do much of. All right, he's gone already. Ugh. Find that track this time. All right, he's gone already. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, say I can't believe. Not doing the jumps. It's so windy. No, I reckon it's further up.
This actually looks like a track.
It does. This is what we went down last time.
Okay. I don't think it's further up. I don't remember going over a hill.
Hold on, we'll just go have a look up here. There's a hole. Yeah, but it kind of looked like it came in that way. I reckon it's here.
Alright, let's give this one a crack then.
No. No, I think it goes. Oh, I don't know. Is it that there? Yeah, Jeff. I think it turned. Yeah, that's it. It does like an S-bend through the trees there. There's like an S-bend through the trees here.
Is there?
Yeah.
I can't fucking see it.
You can just see it standing here, but like riding in, it's pretty, because it hugs that tree. You can see it coming out down there. Nah, I think he's missed it again. I think it goes... He'll find it eventually. Down here, Jeff. Down here. Turns there. Goes that way. No, no, this way. That way. I know. So many people have gone the wrong way there that you can't tell. I can't watch me. Look, he made the turn. Oh no. Yeah. Fuck. Yeah, that's definitely the most fucked track we've ridden.
Once it opens up, it's actually really fun through the trees.
Yeah.
Like through that little valley there, when you go Mach 10 down, that's
Yeah, that's cool. But finding it through the top's just like nuts.
I vote mine next. Because at least there'll be jumps.
Yeah, we can do that.
I reckon you could hit those ones though.
Yeah. What, the ones at the top here? Do you want to give them a crack?
You can, yeah.
Yeah, alright. Well, we've got to walk past them again anyway.
Yeah.
Alright. So what was the top one called again?
Something stupid coaster.
Roaster Coaster. So that was Roaster Coaster into the Canaries.
Gay coaster.
Or the fucking Lost Trail.
Canary died.
Anyway,
Yeah, the canary died.
on to the next one. You.